Hi everyone, today I'm talking about earnings next week, and we're going to be taking a look at some of the companies that report earnings next week. It's going to be a little bit of a less busy week. Last week was absolutely crazy, but still there's some really good companies reporting earnings, and I'm sure there's a few of your companies that are reporting earnings next week. So we're going to take a look and see what is going on. So on Monday, on the open, there's not really that many stocks that I'm kind of interested in, but on the close on Monday we've got Google, which is a company that I do wish I kind of bought when it was on a little bit of a discount not too long ago. Tuesday before the open, we've got Ferrari that I'll be checking out, probably Sony. Ferrari was actually the company that I've probably made the most money on in the stock market. I made a good chunk of money off it about 3 years ago. And then we've got Royal Caribbean Cruises, which I'll be checking out because obviously I've got investment in Carnival, so I want to be seeing what they're doing. Tuesday after the close, we've got one of my companies, Walt Disney, reporting earnings. Snapchat, which is a company that will probably move quite a bit on earnings, they always tend to do. Ford, we'll see how much they've been killed off by Tesla once again. Match.com, which I think they've just lost the CEO, so we'll see how they do. I think they're down quite a bit after that. Wednesday before the open, we've got Spotify, which is a company that I wouldn't actually mind buying, to be fair. It's just stupidly overvalued right now. GM, which would be interesting as well. After the close, we've got Qualcomm. I know some of you guys are invested in Qualcomm at the moment. We've got IRobot, which is one of my stocks, which recently has actually dropped quite a bit because of I believe it's probably because of the coronavirus. I think that the iRobot is probably actually getting to a price that I might be willing to go buy some more shares on, so I'll be checking them out. We've got Peloton stock, which is, I covered that not too long ago as well, and GoPro. I don't know if any of you guys remember when Jeremy on the Financial Education channel was buying that stock, but yeah, he got burnt quite a bit from it, and I'm surprised it's still going, to be fair, because I'm sure the company was doing absolutely terrible. Before the open, we've got Twitter on Thursday, WWE, which has pulled back quite a bit. I know that was at stupidly overvalued prices. Dunkin' Donuts, and after the close, we've got Uber, which is obviously a stock I own. Pinterest, which I do plan on buying Pinterest before their earnings, and then hopefully on their earnings it will drop back a little bit, or pull back a little bit, so we'll see what happens there. Baidu, Wynn Resorts, Activision, IQIY, Skechers, which is the only company that I've sold at a loss. We've got Take-Two. So looking at Thursday's going to be probably my busiest day this week. And then Friday before the open, we've got AbbVie, which I know some of you guys own. I made a video about it, and I basically said that I just don't really like the industry and I don't have enough knowledge about it to invest in it, so it wasn't for me. But I know some of you guys did go buy AbbVie, and I know that some of you guys are probably up quite a bit on AbbVie, so well done for you guys that bought AbbVie stock. So I think a few of you guys might be checking that one out on the Friday before the open. So guys, those are the earnings next week. I know a few of you guys are invested in a few of them stocks. Obviously it's not as busy a week as last week, but still there's some big names out there that I'm sure a few of you guys will be checking out, and hopefully that video helped you with some of the stocks that are reporting earnings that you might go check out, guys. And that's the video for today. As always, guys, if you wouldn't mind giving it a like, that'd be absolutely awesome. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next video.